Okay, coming closer to Colorado. We are actually, the previous video, I misunderstood the lady, the guide. She was telling me that we're 12 miles into Colorado. So we're already in Colorado, or we're still in Kansas?
You are 12 miles into Colorado.
Okay, so in 12 miles we'll see Colorado?
And you are on mountain time.
So, meaning that we're already there. But I thought in 12 miles we'll reach Colorado. Obviously we are in Colorado. It's cold, it's windy. Really windy. Woo! Stop by at another gas station to get the gas. Oh, it's so windy. Just look outside. Look at that. How cold is it, William? Pretty cold.
Yes.
Well, I know the places you go, and I know you say you're so soon. I know it's time to come home.
After a long drive in the snowy mountains. Well, the mountains were first rocky, then they became snowy. We arrived here. Will I show you here? Maybe you'll see a photo. Yep, that's the cabin that we're staying at. And guess, and as you guessed it, look how awesome the view.
And then want to see the bunk bed.
What?
Want to see my bunk bed?
Oh yeah, wait. The kids have bunk beds, but we're about to show the awesome nature winter. It feels like traveling in time. Like we were already almost in the summer, and then all of a sudden, and we are in the winter. And speaking of time travel, I think I'm really tired, as you can guess, as you can see by my eyes that are falling down, closing down. And thank you very much. Today was a great day. Jasmina, thank you.
Wait, don't end this video.
Okay.
Wait, follow me.
No, wait. That would be episode 2 tomorrow. You will make a tour around the house. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Stop pushing my belly. Okay? All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for staying with us today.
The next morning.
Are you ready to go out?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So what's the plan?
Is that snowstorm like you?
Uh-huh. You want to start from this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning. What a lovely day. Today's Tuesday, May 12th, and Azam is... Uh-huh. And Azam just found some ice stuck to the car. It must be very cold. Check out the weather. Check out the view. How did you sleep, Azam? Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't open the door yet. What we need to do is first we need to open up the trunk, because we have... Whoa, did you see that?
Yes.
That was pretty exciting. Do you know what we need? Wait. What do we need from here?
A brush.
A brush.
I found it.
Okay, thank you. So we'll get the brush. Here you go, buddy.
Thanks.
Okay, our first task, Azam John, I'll be cleaning up with the shovel. You need to take the brush and brush off everything from here. Azam John, look here. From these parts. This, and all the way around. Got it? Okay.
Dad,
Yes, Azam?
look what happened.
What happened?
Jump leaked.
What? Our license plate froze.
Yeah.
Did you do it?
No.
How did that happen?
I don't know. I say cleaning. And then I saw that.
Oh my gosh. But look at the view. Azamjon, do you know what this is? You know it, what this is.
Bear-proof stuff.
It's a bear-proof trash can. So whatever trash you have, in order for the bears not to be tempted by the food, they throw it in here. Let's open it up. It's stuck. What are we going to do? Grab the brush. It's time to clean it up. All of it.
Does it come out of down there?
So here you are. We cleaned it. It got a little bit stuck.
2 hours later.
Okay, let's see if we can open it this time. Oh, so there's a latch inside. When you open it, you need to push the latch inside. If you look like this, you cannot open it. If you push it, then you can. Really easy. And by the way, it's called hide-a-bag. Cool. Azam just had a great idea. I think it's a great idea, but I don't know. We'll see. We need to put a lot of snow right here. Then he will climb up there and then he will jump into the snow. And we will record it in slow motion?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. So I think we're almost ready. We piled some. I think we might get a little bit more here from the trees. Getting some extra soft snow for the protection. You ready?
Yes, are you ready? I'm gonna jump down for you down.
Okay, so I'll put Azamjan right here, and he will jump all the way into the pile of snow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I think it will be fun. Don't break anything, okay?
Okay.
Wow, that would be pretty cool, huh? Don't worry, I'll help you out. All the way from there, he'll come. Готов?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Yes.
What? Want to do it again?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Azam?
Cleaning our new Estes Park. I mean our house. Oh, heavy.
What? Guys, are you sure you're ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here goes nothing. 1, 2, 3. About to run, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
That's my turn in the front.
Oh, there they are. Okay, let's try to chase them. What? Where are you?
That.
Where are your mittens?
Right down.
Why did you take them off?
Because
You don't need them? Okay, I'll get them.
the snow is inside.
Really? Okay, let's check them out. Where's Jessie? What is she doing? What are you doing, Jessie?